So this is a 2021 Ram Promaster City. Today I'm going to be removing the panel underneath of the steering wheel. So basically up underneath here, for some reason you need to get down here. We're going to remove this panel right here. I'll show you how to get that off there. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is pull off the fuse panel cover. I just pull straight out, get your fingers under the bottom, pull straight out. Now on the right hand side there's a little plastic insert there. There's actually a screw behind that. There's a screw there and a screw there that we need to take out. Okay, so to get this off, you'll need a little flathead screwdriver or a really sharp fingernail. You don't want to scruff up your paint. You can use a body tool if you need to, but that should pop out pretty easy. I'm just inserting that in there and pull it down. That'll expose the screw. That's a T25 Torx head. Same with these three. So I'm going to remove the three screws. Let's put the back camera in there. So before we pop the panel off, we want to take this out. Just push in on the tab on the side. You'll see them. They're pretty easy to see. Hard to get without getting your fingers in the camera. And then that just pushes back through. And then after that, they're just pop tabs. So basically you want to get your finger in there somewhere. Pull straight back towards you. Work your way around. Again, pulling straight back. It's easier with two hands, not camera in one hand, but and then your cover's off. Alright, putting the panel back on is just about as easy. Basically, we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs up where we're going to pop in. They fit in these places right here. Toughest one's this top little corner up here. You've got to kind of fit that up and in first because that's just kind of what makes the trim piece better. So I'm going to start in that top corner, hook it first, and then just push the other pieces in place. Next, we'll start in this top corner. This is easier to do if you're not trying to keep out the camera. All right, starting up top here. Just going to kind of line everything up. And again, try not to get my head in the way. Once I get that piece in, just going to pop the other ones in place. Like so. Just work your way around until they all snap in. The next thing I want to do down here, I want to put my computer port back in. Don't forget it. It just fits up in. Just reach through the fuse holder, fuse hole, and it should just pop right back in place. We got screw, 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 and then we'll pop the fuse cover back on. All right, so the last thing I want to do is pop on the fuse cover holder. Kind of slide the tabs up and in, like so, and then just push the bottom. So that's all there is to putting that back in place. Again, the hardest part's that top right corner, but if you're sitting in the vehicle, much easier.